Do you feel like you're leaving today more confident in your ability to find a career, your ability to go to college? Do you feel like this gave you a boost of confidence?
Absolutely. I'm Alexandria Garcia. I go to West Mesa High School.
This was a trio Saturday workshop. It was genius potential. What do you think about today?
It was very informative, very fun. I love the skits. They're fun, interactive, fun. I love screaming out because we weren't like, got to scream out. I love the games. I loved acting as a hype man.
What were some of the things that you felt like you learned during this workshop?
I learned from that part of the people you're around, like they can average out your grades.
Message.
Like, not average out your grades, like their grade average possibly can be your grade average, which I can say yes. With my friends, we have the 4.0s and we have the 1.9 in our friend group, so I'm about in the middle.
Yeah, so you feel like that rule of 5 rule is applicable. Okay.
Yeah.
The other thing is, what did you learn about like the career thing? Like, what was your top geniuses?
My top was our artistic, conventional, and social.
Awesome. And then what was the job that you felt like you liked most out of all the stuff from the career quiz?
What I liked most was actress and proofreading, which I really want to be an actress. I've been wanting to be an actress since I was a kid. And proofreading, I love like English and stuff, and I love like I am such a grammar cop with my friends.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You know what's really amazing about that? You can actually combine those two and actually write your own scripts.
I'm actually feeling like I have so many stories that I already have, and I want to go to college for either film or acting and undergrad in film.
Awesome. What would you say to anyone who wasn't here, who missed the vibes?
People who missed the vibes, you could have learned a lot. You could have like gotten your pie chart, could have learned more about yourself with that, because I know I did.